Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by creating access under the sink. Crawl in or kneel with a flashlight because you need to see the pivot rod and retaining clip. Once done, put the bucket under the tailpiece to catch water and detach any trap fittings if obstructing access. Make sure the sink stopper is closed so you can locate the pivot rod connection. This is the metal rod that controls the up and down of the stopper. Now get the pliers and screwdriver ready to release the clip. With the retaining clip exposed, use pliers or a screwdriver to unhook it. Slow, deliberate pressure avoids bending the clip. Once the clip is free, back out the pivot rod just enough to disengage it from the stopper. You'll likely feel slight resistance from the gasket. Make sure to support the stopper above so washers don't drop into the pipe. Then lift the stopper straight up and out while the pivot rod clears the slot, keeping all small parts together for reassembly. After removal, clean mineral buildup from the stopper and pivot rod with a brush and vinegar. This restores smooth motion and seals. When reassembling, lower the stopper into the drain, insert the pivot rod through the tailpiece slot and stopper hole, then reattach the spring clip and tighten the retaining nut. Tight but not over tight to avoid stripping threads. Finally, test the lever and run water to check for leaks. If binding or leaking, loosen and realign the pivot. Then retest.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.